Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video, we will understand how to set up Webhook inside Gurucan. So a Webhook acts as a bridge to connect applications and it helps to deliver the data to other applications as an event happens. Gurucan is an all-in-one mobile learning management system. So in this video, I'm going to tell you step by step that how you can set up a Webhook inside Gurucan and send the data to other applications as an event will take place. So now to do this, I will go to my trigger window and over here I'm going to search for Gurucan as my trigger application. Here it is. And now the trigger event will be new user. So I'm setting up this webhook inside Gurucan so that whenever a new user will be created in my Gurucan account, then automatically the details of that user should be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So from this trigger event, you can select any other trigger event as per your requirement as well. So I'm going to select new user as my trigger event. So as I did that, over here you can see a webhook URL is given and along with that a help desk is given. So read this help desk given below carefully because this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect your Gurucan account with Pabbly Connect. So now I'm going to take you to my Gurucan account. So this here is the dashboard and now over here in order to build a connection, I will go to online school settings and now I will go to integrations. So here under integrations, I will go to webhooks and click on configure. So over here under Webhook, it says Webhook integrations with other services. We send a post request each time a new user signs up or any of the events below happen. So over here, firstly, I'm going to enable the Webhook button once I've done that. So as my objective is that whenever a new user will sign up, then I want to send the details of that new user to Pabbly Connect. So over here from Pabbly Connect, I'm just going to copy the Webhook URL and over here I'm going to paste it. So once I've done that, I'm going to scroll down and click on save. And you can see it is successfully saved. So as I've connected Gurucan and Pabbly Connect and now I'm going to create a new user. So over here, this is the sign up page. So I'm going to open this page in incognito window to create a new user. So over here in this incognito window, I'm going to sign up. So here, let's say that the first name is latest and the last name is user. And over here, the email is latest_user@pabblytudes.com. Here, I'm going to mention a password. So as I filled in the sign up form, so now I'm going to click on sign up. So as over here, you can see that I have signed up and over here are the new user details. So that means the details would have been captured in Pabbly Connect and a user would have been created in my Gurucan account. So firstly, I'm going to take you to my Gurucan account. So this here is my Gurucan account and under users, you can see that a new user has been created. Here you can see the name, this here is the email and over here you can see the role and here is the sign up date and time. So here that means a new user has been created in my Gurucan account and the details of this user would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So taking you to Pabbly Connect and yes, over here I've received the response and over here in the response, you can see the details of the new user created. So over here, the source type is user. You can see the name that is latest user and over here, you can see the email address as well. And this over here is the action that was of sign up. So that means over here in Pabbly Connect, we have successfully got the details of the new user that has been created in my Gurucan account. So here we have set up a webhook inside Gurucan successfully. So now whenever a new user will be created in my Gurucan account, then automatically the details of that user will be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So as I've got the new user details and just by going to this action window, I can select any application where I want to send the details of the users. So as we have successfully set up a connection between Gurucan and Pabbly Connect, I hope you like this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications and create amazing automations by using Pabbly Connect. So you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write us to https://forum.pabbly.com and for pricing related issues, you can visit this link. So you can create a lot more automations by using Pabbly Connect and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more.